Chloe. Chloe, can I see your bone? Chloe, can I see your bone? Isn't that a little big for you? Chloe. Chloe, how come you're not listening to me? Here comes Molly. Molly always listens. Hey, Mom. Hey, Molly. Hey, baby. Come here. Here's some baby. There's a Molly. Hello, baby. We have Molly, the good one, and then we have the brat. We have Molly, the good one, and then there's Chloe, the brat. Right, Chloe? Molly, the good one, sitting here good, and the brat.